Have you been feeling somewhat disconnected from your husband recently? Life gets busy, and sometimes we forget to nurture the very relationship that matters most. But what if I told you that in just 14 days, you could start to reignite that spark and feel closer than ever? It seems almost unbelievable, doesn't it? Stick around, because we're diving into a simple, actionable plan to reconnect with your husband one day at a time. Let me share you a brief story. Imagine waking up every morning and habitually pouring 2 cups of coffee, only to watch one grow cold on the counter because you and your husband haven't truly spoken in months. For one ordinary wife, this was her reality, living under the same roof as a stranger, feeling like the loneliest person in the world. She didn't plan a grand gesture. Instead, she simply slipped a small sticky note under his mug that said, "I miss you." When he found it, he didn't rush out the door. He took a seat, gazed across the table, and inquired about her day. That tiny, ordinary spark broke the heavy silence, proving that healing a lonely marriage doesn't take a miracle, just one small, brave step toward each other. Day 1 is all about presence. Put away the phones, turn off the TV, and just be with each other. Ask him about his day and truly listen to his answer. Day 2, a little gesture goes a long way. Leave him a sweet note, make his favorite coffee, or send him a text just to say you're thinking of him. Day 3, plan a distraction-free conversation, maybe over dinner or a quiet walk. Share something new you learned or a dream you have. As the days progress, focus on shared activities. It doesn't have to be grand. A shared meal, watching a sunset, or even tackling a small chore together can bring you closer. Remember those inside jokes? Bring them back. Laughter is a powerful connector. On day 7, express appreciation. Tell him specifically what you admire about him or something he did recently that you loved. Week 2 is about deepening this connection. Keep up the little gestures, but also make an effort to create new memories together. Perhaps a weekend getaway, a new hobby you explore together, or revisiting a place that holds special meaning for your relationship. The key is consistency and intentionality. It's not the big gestures that matter, but rather the steady, caring actions. By the end of these 14 days, you'll likely find yourselves communicating better, laughing more, and feeling that beautiful sense of partnership once again. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Cherish your bond, start your first small step today, and like this video to keep growing.